Oh hello, this is the unboxing video. Actually Realme company sent me this dibba, actually this box. So unbox this box. How easy this is. This is too easy. Actually this is too easy box, like a okay. Oh, this is a earbud. What is this? Oh, it is some ear rubber in your fit your ears inside. Okay, I don't need that. What is this? Oh, there is a RPG light. Actually this indicator light is blue, so this light means it is alive. Yes, that is not dead, so it is alive. Okay, how open Realme? How open Realme this box? How to open this box? How can I open? Okay, yes, this box is open. How? This is this box is open very easy. This box is open very easy. Use your middle finger and this place, it is press. Open your middle finger. This box is open very easy. So, oh, there is RPG light also. Actually this light is everywhere, in your ear, in your tooth, everywhere, using Realme in RPG light. So okay, awesome build quality. It's look like gold. Yes, it's look like gold. You don't believe me? Look at that. This is gold. It's real gold. So in my ear is the real gold, and this is also anything. Say that. Okay. Yes. How to look like me? Actually, this box is not any box. It is a phrase. You anything, you cool anything. The water can cool and anything. This is freeze. Also, use this mini part in your ear. In your ear inside is very hot. Don't worry. You hold that in this case. Actually another this case and close it. This freeze can cool it. It's really work. And also there is some another trick, which is this. You can also again you open this box your middle finger and press middle finger. This box is when open. You use it here. How it is used? You use this box is. You use this box. Oh, it's very loose, so it's disgusting. It's disgusting also. You use this box is this type. The what is it is air conditioner. It works like a air conditioner. Just here in this what in this your area is very hot. No, don't worry. This what is a Realme? Please comment below. What is this? This the dibba. Oh, again use middle finger. Very disgusting. Just here. You will cool. So if you like the video, hit the like button, and if you like the video, and please subscribe the channel. If you don't like the video, like and subscribe